Morning YouTube, it's morning here. It might be like 1 a.m. at your place and you're trying to get out of the office. What are you doing in the office at 1 a.m.? Anyway, you might have a technical issue and this video will show you the question as well as the possible solutions. Hope you like it, hope you subscribe to my channel. That will really help me and my family, and also that you like the video. Thank you, God bless.
Please click thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you for watching. May God bless you.